What's up, you guys? So today I'm doing a review on my LevelBolt lock. This is an invisible smart lock. It works with your existing deadbolt. This thing here only replaces the bolt inside of your deadbolt. So you can use your existing bolt with it. It works with Apple HomeKit. It also works with Ring and Alexa, which is really great. So let me demonstrate to you how it works. All right, so here, that's the app on my phone. You simply go into the app, press and hold to unlock. And it's unlocked. You want to lock it, press and hold to lock it. And now it's locked. You can see I just have a regular latch lock, bolt lock, nothing fancy. I use my existing key for this, and this is the LevelLock. This is the bolt itself. So it also has a battery in it, and all you need to do is unscrew this. And there's the battery. You change this once a year. It's super simple. Screw it back in. All right, you guys, so this is a great lock, smart bolt. And if you're someone who loses their keys often, this lock is for you. Installation was really easy, took no time at all. And remember, you can use your existing deadbolt with this item.